In this video, I'll be going over the answer to the hard-ranked Gameshow Gumshoe puzzle. So if you haven't watched the previous video yet, you should check that out and try to solve it yourself first. On that note, congratulations to this puzzle's top solvers. Only a handful of you submitted a correct answer this time, so this is quite the exclusive club. Very well done, all of you. And now, on to the answer. The fake door is door C, and the prize is behind door D. In solving this puzzle, our biggest obstacle is not knowing which door is fake, which means two things. We don't know which notes we can trust to be true or false, and we don't know the door's order. The fourth door could be referring to door D or E, and the doors on the ends could be referring to doors A and F, A and E, or B and F. It might seem like there's just too many possibilities to know where to start. The best way to go about it is to begin solving it under the assumption that all doors are real, and try to pinpoint a useful contradiction. The notes of doors B, C, and D all refer to only each other, so that's a good place to start. Door C's first note can't be true, or else it'd immediately contradict door D's first note. If it were true, that'd mean door D's first note must be false. But we could see it would actually be true, since it states the door to its left has a false note too. So door C's first note must be false then. That means its second note is true, and door D's first note is false. Now door B's first note has to be true, because if it were also false, then door C's first note would actually be true. So now let's think about door B's notes. It's true that the middle door has the prize. We don't know which door is the middle door yet, but it must be either C or D, depending on which of the 6 doors is the fake. And since door B's second note is false, the prize is behind a door whose note 1 is true. These two facts contradict each other. Neither C nor D can have the prize since they both have false note 1s. This is exactly the kind of useful contradiction we needed. Now we know the fake door is either door B, C, or D. Let's erase the true-false values because without knowing which doors are real, these may not be accurate. The important thing now is we know for sure doors A, E, and F are all real. That means no matter which of those other 3 doors turns out to be fake, the end doors will always be A and F, and the fourth door will always be E. Let's look at door E's second note. Both doors on the ends, A and F, have true note 1s. This is pretty similar to door C's first note, and just like with that one, it can't be true or it'd immediately contradict another note. Door A's first note would have to be true, but we can see it'd actually be false. Therefore, door E's second note is false. That makes its first note true, and door A's first note true. Now, just like what we did before, we need to make door F's first note false. Otherwise, door E's second note would be true. If door F's first note is false, then its second note is true. The second door has a false note too. The second door is either B, or if B is fake, then it's C. If B is fake and door C's second note is false, then its first note must be true. But we already know that that can't be the case since we know door A's first note is true. So door B must be real, and its second note must be false. We've gone full circle, only now we're working with more information. We know door B is real. We know its first note is true and its second note is false. Now we just have to make them work. Between doors C and D, one of them is the fake, and the other has the prize. Plus, its first note needs to be true. It can't be door C that has the prize then, because we can see its first note would be false. But if C is fake, then door D's first note would, in fact, be true. So it must have the prize. Gameshow Gumshoe may not invite winning contestants back for a fourth time, but you've won their grand prizes and joined the ranks of their Hall of Fame. Thanks for watching. Next week we'll see the start of a new puzzle type, one I've been looking forward to posting since starting this channel. It'll start out easy, of course, but it'll have a really fun twist on the hard puzzle. Until next time, happy puzzling.